Kamusta? Maraming salamat sa pagbisita mo dito at welcome ka sa Sir J YouTube channel. Kung bago ka lang dito sa YouTube channel ko, e-click mo na ang subscribe button at ang bell icon, para makatanggap ng notification ng mga bago kong tutorial video.
Hello everyone. Welcome again to Sir J YouTube channel. For today's tutorial video, I will show you on how to remove background of an image using the Microsoft Office Word. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. First, let's add an image. For this first sample, let's use the YouTube logo. This YouTube logo has white background. Let's change the wrapping layout to in front of the text. After adding the picture, you will see the picture format option in the menu bar. In the left side of the menu bar, you will see the Remove Background button. The Remove Background will automatically remove unwanted portions of the picture. Just click the Remove Background. Now, the picture have purple background and the YouTube letter has been darkened. It means that this purple background will automatically remove once we click the Save Changes button. And this is the result. As the result, only the YouTube icon had shown, but it has a cutoff in the left side. As I explained earlier, the part of the image covered with purple color will automatically remove. Let's go back. To keep those important details in the picture, we will use the tools of the Remove Background option. The first option is the Mark Areas to Keep. It said that you can draw lines to mark areas to keep on the picture. Next, Mark Areas to Remove. Draw lines to mark areas to remove from th picture. Discard all changes. It will close the background removal and discard all changes. And also we have Keep Changes. It will keep all the changes you added in the picture. The Remove Background tool has the view and picture format for more photo editing. Soon, I will show these tools. Now, let's proceed to the proper marking of the image. Let's use the option Mark Areas to Keep and draw lines to the areas that we want to keep in the image. You may just click the part that you want to keep also. This is useful to the small parts of the image. Did you notice? The purple cover was removed. And now we see clearly the YouTube letter. After markings the areas to keep, which is the important parts of the image, just click the Keep Changes. And this is the result. To show you that the white background have been successfully removed, I will add a sample letter from the web. Let me check if the image wrapping is set to in front of the text. Then I will dragging the image within the letter. You see, the image that we add is been transparent. Only the areas that we mark as to keep are shown. Now, let's move on to part 2 of this tutorial. In this part, I will use a shapes. Go to the Insert menu, click the Shapes option and select the square shape. And draw it in the body of the MS Word. I will use these shapes to add an image. Go to Shape Format menu. Click Shape Fill. Select Picture. And select image that you want to use and remove the background. This method is best option for the MS Word 2010, 2013, and 2016 version. Now, I will remove the background again and make a markings in the areas that I want to keep. Like the earlier process, there is no different with this part. Just one click and we're done. Did you see? It's just the same. I just added a shapes to insert a picture, but the same process. Reminders, this option of removing background is best for MS Word 2010, 2013, and 2016 version. For this part, I will use this letter and attach a sample e-signature. I know some of you want to see this, because today, more on us are transferring letter through email with e-signature. So now, I will show you how to attach e-signature to a letter. Again, same process. Let's insert a picture from the computer. For this sample, I used a scanned signature. You can see, when I move the picture, the letter goes down or scattered. To prevent this, let's change the picture wrapping into the front of the letter. Just click this icon from the picture, then select the in front of the text. Now, I can move the picture without distracting the text in this letter. And we can start removing the white background of the signature. Let's go to the Remove Background tools of the picture format. I will use the mark areas to keep and tick it into the signature. Take note. Prevent to tick the white background while using the mark areas to keep. You also noticed that after I click the Remove Background, some part of the signature have not covered by the purple color. It means that the Remove Background function has capability to know what area of the picture will be kept and what area of the picture will be removed. I've done marking areas to keep. But there are some part that has small white background. Let's clean it using the mark areas to remove. While using the mark areas to remove, prevent also to tick the areas that we want to keep like the signature. We're done, we successfully removed the white background. I will moving the signature within the area of the letter to show you that it is already transparent. Now, let's make this picture into a small size and move in the above of my name to make it realistic signature. Now you have a soft copy of a letter with your e-signature. Reminders, after attaching your signature, save the file into a PDF file before sending the letter with your signature. This is to prevent others use your signature. Let's proceed to the last part of this tutorial. Now the last part is to show you on how we to make a transparent background in the letter. This is useful in creating an invitation letter, resume, artistic letter, and many more. I will insert a square shape to make a picture fit in the letter. And fill this shape a background picture. This time, I will not change the wrapping format to show you that we can make it transparent and will not cover the text in this letter. Now, we just need to remove the white background of this picture. Let's go again in the Remove Background and I will use first the mark areas to remove, because we see that the white background is not separated and has a biggest area in the picture. To clean it up, let's use the mark areas to keep in some part of the picture still covered of a purple color. After that, let's save changes. See, the white area of the picture is gone and we have now a transparent background. And this is the final result. We have now a letter with an artistic border from the downloaded picture where it's not transparent. That's all guys, hope you enjoyed this video and you learned. By the way, I am using the new Microsoft Office 365, that's why the interface of my MS Word is different to yours if you're not using the same MS Office. Soon, I will show you the new features this MS 365. Please do not forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down. And also do not forget to subscribe. Again, thank you for watching.